mga pinalangga nakong katawhan sa Davao del Sur. Maanyag nga kabuntagon kadab suranon. Parang kailan lang. It has been an extraordinary journey and experience since I first stood here last June of 2022. The previous election presented to us a unique causa or objective, which was to protect the legacy of Dodo Cagas from enemies from without or gikan sa gawas. This legacy is what gives people hope and also give us a clear direction in terms of governance and priorities. Through the iHelp iShare programs, the provincial government has been able to manage efficiently its finances to that projects and services trickle down to our people and at the same time comforts, so to speak, our employees. Ubay-ubay gayod ang atong mga nahimo. We were able to construct and or repair gyms, barangay halls, school buildings and classrooms, build farm-to-market roads, dryers and warehouses, potable water systems, seawalls, flood control, even solar lights, school restrooms, and hand-washing areas. The controversy, ang pinaka-controversial diri sa atong probinsya, ang atong hospitals. Gregorio Matas District Hospital in Kiblawan and Provincial Hospital here in Digos. Wala kita nagpabaya sa pagpadagan sa atong duha ka hospitals. Masking pa wala jud ta natabangan gikan sa district representative and sa city mayor. Masking pang 60% sa patients are Digos City citizens, 60% patient are Digos City citizens. When Mayor Cagas was elected, Gov Dodo expected that the city government would be of help. Unfortunately, hangtod karon wala lang gihapon sila nitabang. It is sad to admit that even when Governor Dodo Cagas was still alive, and hangtod karon, we never felt na Cagas na diay ang mayor. Kung sa bagay, Daddy Dodo has only one son. My husband, Vice Governor Mark Cagas. Ang commitment namo ni Vice Gov Mark Cagas, mga buutan na mga board members, o sa tanang kapitolyo, magpabilin sa DSPH. There is only one way that is to succeed. Kamong mga sige o pangdaot, kamo rapod ang walay natabang materially. O bisan sa pagpaningkamot sa pagpalambo sa DSPH. Please, pakitanaw sa inyong kaugalingon bago mo manaway sa atuang hospital. Our medical missions program, the only kind of Davao del Sur na nagapadayon kaniadto pa, panahon ni Governor Dodo Cagas, hangtod karon. In fact, nadungagan taog mga dentist. Daghang salamat sa medical missions team. Naa ba sila diri karon? Naa na pud tay new bus na pwede mag-x-ray and laboratory. Salamat PCSO and First Lady Liza Marcos. Dili pareha sa ubang diha, nakaroon lang o katong eleksyon lang nagpa-medical mission.
Tama.
O nikalit di ay. Nikalit o nagpa-medical mission.
Pero wala na po.
Eleksyon, ambot lang karon kung nagpa-medical mission pa ba sila. Anyway, taphaw, hilaw o plastic ka na ng mga klaseng pagpanerbisyo. Because the medical mission that we have, kang Dodo Cagas pa na og hangtod karon, di pa dayon. Daghan paunta ko pwede isulti. But we don't want to bore you with lengthy narratives. I would rather that ang atong binuhatan in the next 3 years ang atong pastoryahon. Mga kadagsuranon, mga pinalanggang katawhan sa Davao del Sur, kini ang inyuhang Govi Yvonne, nagahangyo kaninyo nga magtinabangay kita. Kuyugi ko ninyo sa atong mission with honor and legacy. Palambuon panato ang atong probinsya. Kung kaniadto, we protected Dodo Cagas' legacy from enemies from without or gikan sa gawas. Karon, mag-unite na po kita to protect the same legacy from enemies from within or mga kontra na gikan ra sa sulod. Together, let us continue to make Davao del Sur a maanyag na paraiso. There is only one brand of leadership in this province, the Dodo Cagas brand. Mabuhay kitang mga kadagsuranon, daghang salamat sa langitnong amahan. We love Davao del Sur.